allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to have access to his legal team. It's never a crime for a suspect to have access to his legal team. Nonsonkwa tell DSS. No be small thing, my people. As we dey talk now, they say that millions of terrorists will be the Fulani herdsmen, but Boko Haram, all of them gather for Zamfara. They celebrate their end of the prayer or whatever they are celebrating there. Now, the question is, why Nigeria government or Nigeria army does not go and bomb these people where they are? This is the question. However, our brother, what they call Jerry, don't come outside, come clear air. Based on our brother, what they call senior pope or junior pope, where die. Because a lot of people don't come talk so many things. Say, why ain't go video ram, put, in one use them, catch cruise, in one use them, get view. But the guy don't come outside, come explain the reason why he post that video. However, my people, let's go and drop in and find out how this intake they happen. Welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates. Let's quickly jump into the matter. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel and also follow. Okay, my people, let's jump inside the matter. We'll go find out how this intake they happen. They say that Nonsonkwa don't tell DSS to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to have access to his legal team so that they can prepare their defense. If somebody, you claim that somebody did something, then leave that person, give him access to his legal team, then come to court and prove what you are saying. Let lawyers defend. Why are then castigating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You know, sometimes you will be doing something, you think you are doing it, you are getting it right. When the anger of people unleash on you, you will know that that thing that you have that give you mind, they have something bigger than what you have. This is this. So let's watch the video. What Nonsonkwa tell to the DSS before we come back. Continue.
On the issue of DSS, Ebubo, the lawyer Nnamdi Kanu about DSS that they are denying them access to their client, or the very wrong. I think this is the time the Attorney General of the Federation should come into this and talk to the DSS director. You cannot deny a client access to his lawyers. Are there many now? Who does that? You know, are there many? Can anybody know a client that's supposed to have as an uninterrupted access to his lawyers? Deny access to his lawyers. This is an infringement on his fundamental human right. And the Attorney General of the Federation should look into this and talk to DSS director. Or the very wrong. Okay, probably the briefs. The lawyer or the briefs lawyers here question Abiasa na court atahiri one. Abiasa na court one game we understand. You know, it is very wrong. Very wrong. The kind of democracy I know in Nigeria, this thing is not democracy. What we practice here is not democracy. What we practice in Nigeria is ikeketoriecracy. Akaremgecracy. All we here I practice in this country. Akaremgecracy. Ikeketoriecracy. Iwukwanoonyecracy. That is what we are seeing in Nigeria. Why will you deny a client access to his lawyers? Why will you do that? You know, for those people like him understand. Until again, you're in that position, that is when you will understand behind it. It is your lawyer that will direct you well. Okay, by 17th of April now, this trial will commence. By 17th of April, this trial will commence. And you are denying Nnamdi Kanu access to his lawyers and denying his lawyers access to him. This is the kind of thing on Abu. Has that too much. This is the kind of thing I get too much. He now deny your access to his lawyer. Say waiting half fun. Say waiting half fun. So go no matter. You know, when we say that this department of gene, know how the worst part of democracy I in Nigeria, some people will not understand it. They will appear civil, but to me, how would I go? You now body with the truth. You now body with the truth. An institution questioning in a promote democracy. Who's in democracy in Nigeria? This is Nigeria for you. This is Nigeria for you. When you are just ordinary human being. Here is just opportunity. The opportunity that you are on top. Nothing else. Nothing else. When you also DJ. You will die. You need read agro lago go to shagonya. In a new show to anya shanyo. In a kumo to anya shiku. In a pecharoto, utonya sha pecharoto. The only thing the difference between Ununabo, they on a position on a no. Apart from it, you are just ordinary. Now, you can't hear ordinary. Gile onye ikweshirime allow the law to take its full course. You not patch the law. Because you are on top. You can never be on top forever. At a point in your life, you will come down. Then you now join the league of the ordinary members of the floor. I call upon the Attorney General of the Federation to look into this matter. Nnamdi Kanu should have full access to his lawyers. And his lawyers must have full access to Nnamdi Kanu. That is what the Constitution says. That is democracy. That is what fundamental human rights entails. The word is enough for the wise.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I'm going to show you this funny video that you need to watch now. And the question is, why these people are in millions in this particular area? And all of them you see here carry their own color, follow body. Why Nigeria Army no go here, go through Ogbunigwe? No go here, go through this way that they throw for inside Southeast. Hope Uzodimma, the governors in Southeast, where they bring army come bomb your people's house. May you see this video and tell me the reason why they cannot. Here is open place. So why are they not doing it here? I want you to watch it. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, My wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, this is Nigeria for you. This one, I'm not going to say anything what I want to talk. Just talk by your own self as you don't watch that video. I don't tell you the people will be this, then you go know waiting they go on and where we are, where we find ourselves for inside this country. However, let's watch waiting this our brother whether they call Jerry talk about our brother whether they call Junior Pope way by for inside water yesterday. Watch the video.
Yeah, good day everyone. I'm actually doing this video because my attention has been called by lovely fans who have been following me for a long time, fans who has been there with me through thick and thin, concerning the post that I did concerning Junior Pope's demise. First, I want to say that those who know me knows that I don't chase clout. I do not chase clout. It's only a pity that the post has to, to get to people the way it got to people. And it was as a result of the stress that we passed through yesterday. We were in that hospital till 1 a.m., trying to make things, work things out, only with all that sadness and everything. And people calling, asking different questions. trying to find out if he has passed away or if he's still living. The confusion in the social media. And with all that, my phone keep ringing and ringing, sadness and everything. I had to do that post. I had to post that video, that somebody they made of me. My intention was never to chase any clout. And now today I won't begin chase clout. My people, those who know me, what I won't chase clout for? I come all the way. I've been there since. What I want to begin to find again. It was just to clear that air. But some people are beginning to use that video now to chase clout. Because that's what is happening. I noticed some of my colleagues who are come online, like, what's his name again? I don't know, the one with the America. Don't forget his name. Coming to tell me things. You're using me and Junior Pope to chase clout. Because the post I made, before I was on my way, I was traveling. I was already in the flight. When I landed, the moment people started calling me, and the moment I saw it, I pulled it off. My intention was never, I want to say this categorically, my people. My intention was never to chase clout. And God knows that people who know me knows I don't chase clout. I'm a realist. That post, if it hurt people, I am sorry. But it was just to clear the air that people should understand that we have lost a big one. That we lost a very big one, a very sad one. You won't understand. People don't really understand what we have gone through. You understand? But because of that post, a lot of good fans has called me and tell me, Jerry, we know you. We know you very well. You know they do like this. I didn't do that to gain anything. And if it has hurt anybody, I sincerely apologize. But to those who they take and chase clout now, I just laugh on her. This is my brother with day outside. I don't want to tell you anything. I don't want to mention your name either. But you had the guts. You have my phone number. Did you call me? Now they take me, they chase clout. Brother, if people don't forget you for...
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, please, I want you to share this video as many as you can, so that other people will still they get the information and don't know what they happen for the ground. We'll still they here, they bring updates. Share and follow this channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.